The title of this video probably sounds like, holy crap, what's going on? But rest assured, I will still be making city update videos. They will just no longer be posted on this particular channel. Due to numerous complaints and me trying to appease all the people that like to watch all my different types of content, about a year ago I created a new channel and it's just simply called Bevins Bricks. The sole purpose of that channel is to just post Lego content and Lego content only. So on this channel, I can post whatever I want, and that's the reason for the two different names. Bevins Bricks is just Lego content. And this channel that you're watching this video on now is Bevins Bricks World. And most of my videos are going to be regarding my lighting products, whether it be my train track, my train pickups, or my LED lights. That is the primary focus of this channel. But I will also be posting things like updates of different things I'm doing around the house, my yard, my brick wall, whatever you can think of. This channel is for pretty much any type of content that I want to post. So if your main focus is just Lego content, whether that be city updates like this or build videos, for example, of things like this, which is my flat iron building, I'll be posting a link in the comments and in the description of this video to take you to my Bevins Bricks channel. And if your main focus or interest is lighting, tips and tricks and things like that, all that will still be posted on this channel, as well as a lot of other things, as I know some people are interested in other things that I do. I know I made a video telling everybody this quite a while ago, but because I still get so many questions on where is my Lego content on this channel, I wanted to put a reminder video up just to let everybody know where it is at. Keep in mind, I do know it's been probably close to 8 months since I posted anything, but I did post an actual city update video just today, and that's why I'm posting this video as well, because if that's what you're looking for is city updates, it's on the other channel, guys. Click the link below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be posting a lot more soon. Take care.